Strong in the face of the dark night of the soul. Transcending tonight is like emerging from the depths of adversity with a renewed sense of purpose. In darkness, we find the strength to confront our inner shadows, discovering an authenticity that only deep introspection can reveal. By overcoming pain and desolation, the possibility of a deeper connection with our essence is born, guiding us towards the light of self-transcendence. In this process, we find the ability to transform darkness into a journey of growth and wisdom, leading us towards a new understanding of ourselves and the world we inhabit. Listen to this strengthening until the dark night of the soul is transcended. We are going to erase the debilitating energy of this period of deep spiritual crisis, purification, and inner transformation. We erase all that sense of effort, heaviness, suffering, frustration, despair, and aimlessness, along with their accumulated effects down to negative infinity 100% of the time with infinite time. We strengthen your physical, mental, and spiritual intelligence for this inner process, remaining strong in the face of suffering, fatigue, despair, desolation, and abandonment. We erase all its weaknesses and all the resistance to letting go of these energies and any tendency to repeat them down to negative infinity 100% of the time with infinite time, strong enough to transmute these energies into acceptance, trust, and wisdom. We're going to erase the cumulative effect of a hard, barren, directionless, and greatly confused life. We erase the limitations of those memories that are present today as limitations and suffering, strong enough so that during this stage of crisis, you can open the door to internal transformation. Through self-responsibility, self-care, self-understanding, self-acceptance, and self-prioritization. Strong midline for this process. A strong body, mind, and spirit. Strong physical, mental, and emotional intelligence. We're going to erase the cumulative effect of everything in the dark nights of the soul in every life you've had. We erase the times when that dark night of the soul was your last night. We erase the dense energy of that dark night that also comes from your ancestors and your descendants from this and other lives. To be fully human 100% of the time with infinite time. We eliminate magnification, distortion, exaggeration, intensification, and generalization of negativity. We eliminate defeatist, disempowered, failure, victimized, and self-pitying emotions, sensations, and reactions. We eliminate all memories of helplessness, of loneliness, of desolation, of abandonment, of hopelessness, of loss of faith, of this and other lives, with all its cumulative effect to be fully human 100% of the time with infinite time, strong to look at pain, strong to learn from it, strong to recapitulate, reframe, and revalue your life, your trajectory, and each of your experiences. We separate the positive from the negative in your life. And we erase all the weaknesses to zero, minus infinity 100% of the time. With infinite time, we level it out so that it's centered, balanced, and stable. We're going to fill with neutrality every problem, every challenge, every obstacle, every difficulty, every challenge that you face today. We eliminate debilitating emotions and reactions that come from you and that come from outside of you. We eliminate everything that disempowers you. Everything that makes you doubt, everything that makes you fear. We're going to increase emotions of neutrality, trust, wisdom, clarity, and direction to 100%. With infinite potential 100% of the time, with infinite time, we're going to strengthen your central nervous system, spinal cord, sacrum, coccyx, and tail. We increase your physical intelligence to feel, perceiving, and intuiting the multiple solutions, strong to see and choose the paths to your transformation with awareness, presence, and strong attention. Your physical intelligence to make new interpretations of your past, strong for more prosperous and abundant visualizations into your future, strong for neutrality, wisdom, and patience in the present moment, strong to radically, totally, and unconditionally accept your current reality, strong to totally, radically, and unconditionally accept your responsibility, your power, and your divinity, strong to avoid one day at a time, strong to let go, erase, liberate, become independent, forgive, protect, and unconditionally forget the need for control, the need for security, and strong for reconciliation with uncertainty. Strong to remember that the future resolves in the present, strong to feel your dignity is intact. Strong to feel that under no circumstances has your value been lost and cannot be lost. Strong so that you matter now more than ever. Strong so that you deserve more than ever. Strong so that the negative experiences are enough. And now you give yourself permission to learn, appreciate, and be grateful for all the positive experiences. Strong to observe your thoughts. Strong to transmute them. Strong to accept and observe your emotions. Strong to dilute them. Let them go. Strong to understand that each experience is valuable, and from each one you can extract much learning. Strong for introspection, inner awareness, and self-observation. Strong to find the light that already resides within you. Strong to accept, admit, and recognize that this experience is temporary, that it will soon end, and that you will soon be grateful for having transcended it and even for having experienced it at 100% infinite co-potential 100% of the time with infinite time, strong in the face of all following transformations post this transcendence, strong to be prepared, open, and receptive to all that is new, to all change, and to all wisdom. This experience carries strong for deep self-exploration, strong to courageously face your fears, your insecurities, and your inner shadows, strong for honest self-exploration, to understand the roots of darkness and find the causes, reasons, and sources and make the most of it. Strong to develop emotional and spiritual resilience to face challenges. Strong to come out unscathed from all adversities. Strong to accept difficulties as part of the journey. And strong to use adversity as an opportunity to expand your consciousness. Strong to find meaning in every experience. Strong to connect with your life purpose and cultivate a spiritual dimension that guides you through this darkness. Strong to accept, admit, and acknowledge that behind this experience there is a higher, deeper, and wiser meaning that you cannot see today. Strong to be the same, not the same, different, not different, change, not change, perception or perception. Strong for everything positive, not positive, negative, not negative. We are going to strengthen the internal and external dynamics, internal and external limits, and vertices of all the geometries we work on here to 100% with infinite potential, 100% of the time with infinite time. We are going to erase all weaknesses, yours and not yours, from this and other lives to zero minus infinity, 100% of the time with infinite time. Strong to reboot, recalibrate, reprogram, readjust, and rejuvenate your body, mind, and spirit. Observe how you feel, the same or different.